And welcome to the YouTube channel, How to Get an 800 Credit Score. My name is Lyndon Baptiste, and thank you so much for joining to also as well. On this channel, we talk about ways to build your credit, increase your credit score, get approved for major purchases like mortgages, car loans, business loans, and earn cash back and travel points and rewards through credit cards too also as well. But tonight we have a special topic. We're going to talk about how you can earn up to 27% cash back and more through Navy Federal Credit Union. So let's get started. Welcome to the YouTube channel, How to Get an 800 Credit Score. My name is Lyndon Baptiste, and on this channel, we talk about ways to increase your credit score, build credit, and get approved for the lowest payments on mortgages and lines of credit, loans, and how to travel the world for free, earn extra money with cash back and bonuses. And if that interests you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications. That way you'll never miss a single video as we make them. So basically, I had just recently got approved for the Navy Federal Credit Union Cash Rewards credit card. This was about a week and a half ago. How it started was I opened up an account and became a member of Navy Federal Credit Union. Once I became a member of Navy Federal Credit Union, I opened up a savings account with Navy Federal and also a checking account with Navy Federal also as well. And then I called Navy Federal over the phone the next day, and I applied over the phone for the Navy Federal Cash Rewards credit card. So that credit card I'm very excited about because I am not only earning 1.5% cash back, but I have the opportunity to earn over 27% cash back with my Navy Federal Credit Union Cash Rewards credit card too also as well. And I'm going to show you guys how you can do this also as well. So basically, after I got approved for the Navy Federal Cash Rewards credit card, I pretty much received something in the mail from Navy Federal, and it's basically going over rewards and benefits to my new Cash Rewards credit card. So in the process, I had discovered through reading through this basic pamphlet that they sent me, it explained in full detail how I can earn more cash rewards and points too also as well. And it was saying, and quote, that I could earn double, triple, or even quadruple or more cash back and rewards and points also as well, more than I would normally receive with my Cash Rewards credit card, which offers the 1.5% cash back. So basically, what it is basically stacking cash back, stacking up bonus points and rewards, cash back too also as well, and also earning the 1.5% cash back on top of that too also as well, simply by using the credit card. So what I like about this Navy Federal Cash Rewards credit card also as well is that it has a $250 sign-on bonus too also as well, and all I need to do is spend $2,500 within the first 90 days of having the card. So we FedEx the card to us, and I did not mind at all paying the $12 fee to have the card FedEx to me, because I wanted to get started right away on earning cash back and also on meeting the spending requirement for the $250 sign-on bonus. So basically, this credit card has taken the place of my Discover It cash back credit card, which offers me 5% cash back in the bonus quarterly categories too also as well, and Discover matches that 5% at the end of the year, so that 5% cash back actually turns into 10%. Now, Discover also has cashback portals where I can earn more than the 10% cashback that Discover offers me. But I decided that I really need to meet the spending requirement on my cash rewards credit card from Navy Federal first, because $250 is a lot more money than the 5% cash back that Discover, or even 10% cash back that Discover can give me, because the limit to the 5% cash back bonus is $75 per quarter. Okay, and when Discover matches that, that $75 turns into $150. So $250 is still a lot more than $150. After the 5% cash back, my Discovery card earns 1% cash back on everything else that is not included in the 5% bonus category, or anything over that $75 cash back earned within the 3-month period. So I decided, yeah, I really need to get this sign-on bonus, because the Discover It bonus categories are always going to be there. They put them out every year, year after year. But the sign-on bonus is only a one-time deal. Okay, so that is the reason why I decided that I really need to get started on this Navy Federal, make this card, my cash rewards card, a priority over all of my other cards. Okay, so basically this is the card here. I'm putting it up on the screen so you guys can see it. So also as well, that's the cash rewards credit card from Navy Federal Credit Union that I had gotten approved for. So what I'm going to do is basically I'm going to take you guys to the site, to the Navy Federal Credit Union site. In order to do that, I'm going to have to share my screen with you guys too, so that way you can get a better idea of, basically what I'm talking about here. So I'm here at the digital banking site of the Navy Federal Credit Union. So if you can see my screen clearly, just go ahead and type the number 1 inside of the comments. Again, if you can see the screen clearly, just go ahead and type the number 1 for me inside of the comments. And again, if you cannot see the screen clearly, let me know and type number 2 inside of the comments, so that way I know to, step up or turn up the audio or the video. So I'm just going to go ahead and sign into my digital banking here. So I already gotten started on meeting my minimum spending requirement. Basically had this card for about, I'd say about a week or two right now. So yeah. So now I'm at my digital banking account right here. So I'm basically showing you what I have here. Basically, this $7.83 is the cash back that I've already earned. So what I have the option to do here with the cash back that I earned on the cash rewards card is I can put it into my savings account, or I can have it deposited somewhere else. And, I could always use the cash back that I earn. And the good thing about this cash back, which is different from my Discover It credit card and my pedal card too also as well, is that the Discover It credit card, they make me wait till the next cycle to claim my cashback rewards. Okay, so basically I have to wait almost 2 months to get the cash back, to redeem the cash back, in other words. Okay, which I have already redeemed my cash back from Discover and had it deposited into my bank account with Wells Fargo. So that is a good thing. A bonus that the cash rewards credit card has, that I can redeem my cash back like right away and immediately. So the reason why I took you guys to the digital banking here is because what I need to do, to where I need to go to show you guys how to earn up to 27% cash back and more using the cash rewards credit card from Navy Federal Credit Union. You'd have to go here. So if you are, once you become a member of Navy Federal Credit Union and you get approved for one of their credit cards, or you have one of their credit cards, I don't know if it applies to all the credit cards. I don't know if it applies to the secured credit cards too also as well. If you can use the member mall is what they call it. They call it the member mall. But I know for sure the cashback earning credit cards and the rewards credit cards qualify so you can use the member mall and cash in on all those deals. So basically what I would do is you would click on your credit card, the link to your credit card, then it will pull your credit card up, and then let's see, you'd have to scroll down, and as you can see, I already started meeting my minimum spend on this card already. I know I have a long way to go. I'm only at $531, so I got another $2,000 to go. So basically, you would scroll down here, and you'd pass, available credit, statement balance, and you would go down to where it says rewards points. Then you would go ahead and click on member deals. This link here. So you just click on member deals, and pop-up comes up on the screen and lets you know that you're leaving the Navy Federal website to go to member deals. And it says you must use your Navy Federal credit card to earn rewards in member deals. So you have to use your Navy Federal credit card. You can't use another credit card. You can't use your Discover. Like, I can't use my Discover, my Pedal card, or any other credit card to also as well. Then you'd click on continue. So basically it's pretty much straightforward, simple to reach this member mall here. And then what pops up here is a whole bunch of member deals here. So you can scroll down. They have here displayed Macy's 6% cash back. Let's see what else they have. Walmart 2% cash back. And what is that? Holiday Inn Express 3% cash back. So basically, for example, like the Walmart, the 2% cash back, you would use your Navy Federal credit card. Okay, and whatever earning rate that gives you in cash back, like if it's 2% on your credit from your credit card, then you would earn an extra 2% when you shop through this member mall at Walmart. Okay, and the same thing applies to any of the other stores too also as well. All of this is just extra cash back right here. So as you can see, Bed Bath and Beyond is 4% cash back. Macy's is 6% cash back. And as I scroll down here, there's some pretty sweet deals here. You got 8% cash back on Under Armour. So this is extra cash back. So with your 8% cash back, and you add that, if you earning say 2% cash back, then that's automatically turns into 10% cash back right there. Okay. So Macy's is 6% cash back. Norton antivirus. So if you need something for your computer to protect your computer against viruses and things like that, or a firewall you may need, you get 25% cash back with Norton. Okay, so that's 25% cash back. Plus you add your, for example, if you're earning 2% cash back, then that becomes 27% cash back. Kohl's is 2%. Nike is 5%. Backcountry is 5%. And there's special holiday. What's that? Janelle?
Don't mind coming on here till they can't see the website.
Someone said they can't see the website. Oh, okay. Sorry about that. I know it's probably maybe the words are kind of small, guys, but let me know if the screen is clear, if you guys can see it okay. If you're on a cell phone, the best way to see the screen clearer, better, is to turn your cell phone sideways. Because if you have it in the portrait view, the words are smaller. But however, if you turn your cell phone sideways, then you should get like a full screen, and then the words will be a lot bigger on the website that I'm taking you guys through here. So Sephora, this is free 3-day shipping. If you spend $50, and then you get 5% cash back there too, also as well. So there's a lot of great deals. And then if you click here on extra rewards for the holidays, then it's going to take you to another part of the member mall here. They call it the member mall, but it's actually member deals. Okay. So this is featured stores with extra rewards. Dyson is 3%. AT&T is giving out $60 cash back, guys. That's a lot. That's a lot of money there. $60 cash back. Okay. And you also get up to $950 off an eligible Samsung Galaxy Note 10 smartphones. Let's click on that so we can see more of that. It says when you buy on a qualifying installment plan with an eligible AT&T unlimited plan and trade in an eligible smartphone. So you're getting $60 cash back, plus you get up to $950 off when you buy a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 smartphone. So the reason why I pretty much had to notice this deal here is because I just recently, and Janelle just recently, we just both recently bought a brand new Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G smartphones, but we went through Verizon. But we didn't get this deal because we did not know about this deal. And another thing is too that we were not members of Navy Federal Credit Union at the time, but now we are. So we're like, wow, we could have gotten up to $950 off of a phone, of the price of a phone, plus $60 cash back, plus almost 2% cash back just from using the credit card, and too also as well. So there's a lot of awesome deals here too. The only thing is that if you're interested in this deal, you might have to go over to AT&T. We're with Verizon, so we don't know how well, AT&T works out here because we're in South Dakota. So Office Depot has 4% cash back. Pro Flowers, 12% cash back. Plus, you get an additional 15% off on flowers and gifts for the holidays, too, also as well. Magazines.com. They're offering 25% cash back too also as well. So if you like to buy like popular magazines, you can get them here, 25% cash back at magazines.com. Petco is 3% cash back. Now you have a sweet deal here for TV and internet. I know a lot of you guys, mostly all of you are using internet in one form or another, whether it's on your cell phone or, for your home. They're offering $60 cash back, plus you get a $50 reward card when you order AT&T internet. So as you guys can see, there's a lot of sweet deals here. Fios is $40 cash back. And this is, internet connection to also as well for your router. Plus you get Disney for 12 months and a $100 reward card or gift card. So you get a $100 gift card pretty much that you could use to spend. I'm not sure if you'd have to spend it on Fios products or not. But it's a $100 gift card there. That's has a $100 of value, plus you get $40 cash back. So that's $140 basically in free money right there. So there's a lot of free money out there, and all you got to do is just pretty much go ahead and look around for it. Okay, I see. I'm gonna go ahead and share that part of the screen, what I was sharing with you guys here too, so you can see that also. Let's see if I can pull that up. Oh, okay. So now you guys should be able to see that, what I was showing you earlier. I'm just going to scroll down to where I was. Okay, AT&T, that's the $60 cash back offer and the $950 off of a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 smartphone. Okay, Under Armour, 8% cash back plus 25% off of all fleece, $5 off of youth. Office Depot, 4% cash back. Macy's, 8% cash back. Magazines.com, 25% cash back. Petco, 3% cash back. Here's the internet deal right here from AT&T. You get a $50 gift card, reward card when you order AT&T internet. Plus you get $60 cash back with this too also as well. Or you can go with Fios. Fios will give you $40 cash back. Plus you get a $100 gift card or reward card. So you get a $100 card. You can use that to spend it, however you like to also as well. So I know it's the holidays, so you guys are definitely going to want, gift cards because, they're very valuable during this time of the year too also as well. And there's a lot of sweet deals out there on gift cards too also as well, where you can earn cash back, you can earn points. If you're with American Express, you can earn travel points, all types of benefits too also as well. But I just wanted to share this with you guys because Navy Federal Credit Union is an awesome financial institution to have a relationship with, to be able to have this opportunity to earn so much cash back, like up to 27% cash back. And I never heard of $40 cash back or $60 cash back, so I mean, the benefits are just really totally out of this world. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and recognize you guys' comments and questions. So now's the time. If you had any questions, to bring them up or comments, I would definitely recognize you here too also as well. Ricky Glenn says, hey, welcome to the chat, Ricky Glenn. Glad to have you once again. Thank you so much for joining, Ricky. Everyone, please say hello to Ricky Glenn. And Janelle says, hello and good evening, credit families.
You left me out. You left Cornell.
No, I just mentioned you just now. And Cornell, I got you, Cornell. Cornell was the first one here in the chat to comment. So everyone, please say hello to Cornell, Mr. Mentor Freeman too also as well. Thank you so much, Cornell, for joining. Really appreciate you, Cornell, too also as well. And thank you, Janelle, for welcoming the people as they come in. BRIONE Walton is back once again. He says, what's up, credit family? What's up, BRIONE? Thank you so much for joining. Welcome back. Everyone, please say hello to BRIONE Walton. David Amex King Moss is back in the house, people. He's at the Delta Lounge in Salt Lake City, about to go to Denver, he says. So, wow, that's interesting. So, David, you're everywhere, man. You're always traveling, and that's good. David told me and Janelle that we need to start traveling. And it's true. We do need to start traveling because, we're missing out on a lot of benefits, being offered, like free travel, free hotel stays, free vacations, all of these things. So we're definitely going to start traveling too also as well. So that's great advice, David. And by the way, David, he did a great breakdown of how David defeated the 524 chase rule, people. He defeated it. You can say bypass if you want to say bypass the 524 rule. He pretty much in a nutshell, you know, he was over 524 and he still got approved for chase cards too also as well. He made 3 videos, his 3 most recent videos. If you want to know how he did it, go ahead and go over to his channel. Click on his name, David Amex King Mars. Click on go to channel, and then, you know, when you get there, subscribe to also as well, because David has some awesome videos, great content. You guaranteed you're going to learn a lot about travel, rewards points, and how to do all of this for free, this free travel. So you definitely don't want to miss out, and subscribe for sure. Thank you for joining us, David. Everyone, please say hello to David Amex King Mars too also as well. Thank you, Janelle, for welcoming the people as they come in again. And David Amex King Moss says happy holidays. Yes, everyone, Merry Christmas. I know it's early. It's only the 18th. We still got 7 days to go to Christmas. But guess what? Christmas is on a Wednesday, people. Christmas is on a Wednesday. So you know what that means? That means we are having a Christmas live stream. It's going to be Wednesday, 8:15 p.m. Central Time here on this channel too also as well. So I'm already starting to tell people Merry Christmas. We already got our Christmas tree up behind me, as you can see there. So we're in the holiday spirit already as it is. So Merry Christmas, everyone, and enjoy the holidays too also as well. So yeah, we're gonna have the best Christmas live stream ever, Wednesday, 8:15 p.m. Central Time too also as well. Janelle says happy holidays to everyone, and Janelle wants to know, is everyone ready for Christmas? If you're ready for Christmas, go ahead and let us know inside of the comments too also as well. Brian Bauer is back in the building, people. Thank you for joining, Brian. Appreciate you. Brian's FICO score hit 701 this month, according to Discover. That is awesome, Brian. That is a great look, you know, the 700 club. Welcome to the 700 club, Brian, too, also as well. Congratulations, everyone. Please say congratulations to Brian Bauer. He just hit the 700s this month on his FICO score. Great job, Brian. Everyone, please say hello to Brian Bauer. RL Flows is in the building, people. He just received his $250 bonus on the same card I'm talking about in the topic today, the Navy Federal Credit Union Cash Rewards credit card. He just hit the bonus last night. It took him 4 statements for him to receive his bonus. The card was opened in late August. Yeah, RL, I heard about that too. Navy Federal, they will wait after the 90 days before they release that bonus. I've heard that from many people, you know, plus on top of the research that Janelle and I have done on Navy Federal Credit Union too also as well. They will wait till after, even if you hit that bonus in the first month, they will still make you wait till after that 90-day period is over with. So for you, it took 4 statements. So, you know, basically you're a living testimony of that. But congratulations, RL, you hit your bonus. That's awesome. Awesome. I should be there soon too as well, hopefully. So everybody, if you haven't already, please say hello to RL Flows. David says, I'll be in Los Angeles for Christmas. Okay, awesome, awesome. If that's where you want to be, you have like family or friends you plan on visiting out there for Christmas. That's awesome, though, to be able to travel somewhere, you know what I mean, for Christmas. That's definitely a great look. I mean, nothing wrong with staying home on Christmas either. It's still a good look either way. Pink Lady is in the building, people. Pink says, hey, fam, happy holidays. I'm getting ready to go, but I will be listening. Yes, we appreciate you listening and, you know, participating, Pink Lady. You know, it's always a pleasure to have you here because you add a lot of value to our live streams too also as well. So if you haven't already, please say hello to Pink Lady too also as well. And thank you, people, for letting me know that the audio and the video came out clearly. I know that I didn't set you guys up on the right screen as I was going through all the cash back and the benefits and all of that in the Navy Federal Credit Union member mall. But I know I did afterwards, so I know I had to kind of like re-go over all of those benefits again. So I do apologize for that. Miguel The Bronx is in the building, people. This is one of our new people here to the chat. Please welcome Miguel. If you haven't already, please say hello to Miguel too also as well. Thank you for joining us, Miguel. We really appreciate you. Brian Bauer says thank you to Janelle. Awesome. So Brian Bauer, thank you for letting me know that the audio and video was coming out okay. BRIONE says NFCU is king. They have truly been a blessing, and they love giving out money if you do right by them. Yeah, I can see that, BRIONE, just by looking through that member mall that they have there. All the cash back, extra, and this is all extra cash back. Extra cash back. Plus, some of them were giving like I think $60. I think it was which one was it? It was okay. Fios was giving out $40 cash back, plus a $100 gift card. Just for signing up for Fios Internet and using your Navy Federal Cash Rewards credit card at that. So I mean, that's just a sweet deal. I mean, where else are you going to sign up for Internet and get $140 back? Okay, so that's basically they're giving you $140 cash back, pretty much. So it's just awesome. I can see that Navy for NFCU definitely likes to give out money. So I see that true. So thank you for saying that, BRIONE, for sure. Thank you for welcoming people too also as well. Everyone, please welcome to the chat Curtis Page too also as well. So as most of you already know, I cannot see all of the comments on my screen. So that's why when you see me looking back and forth here, I'm looking at my phone because I'm in a live chat on my phone too also as well, just to make sure that I don't miss anyone's comments. Like I just missed Curtis Page's. Curtis Page typed the number 1 earlier. So if you haven't already, please say hello to Curtis Page. Thank you so much for joining us, Curtis. Really appreciate you. And also, One Cool Cat 95835, another new person here to our chat. Please welcome One Cool Cat to also as well. One Cool Cat says, hello, sir. Congrats to you on this card. I have this card and it's great. Yeah, I can see that it's really great. I mean, I love the fact that I can redeem my cash back right away, just like that. Like I earned cash back this morning. I threw it right into my savings account, like right away. So, I earned cash back yesterday. Like every day I'm earning cash back, and like every day I'm making deposits into my savings account. So it's really awesome, And like I said, my Discover card, they make me wait like almost 2 months to get my cash back. And my pedal card, they make me wait about almost 2 months to get my cash back too, also as well. So this card is just great. It's really awesome. Janelle says she's definitely going to apply for NFCU next year because she had heard a lot of good things about NFCU. Yeah, I wonder where she heard that from. But yeah, that's a good idea for her, and we're going to try to do all we can to get her, in the NFCU next year too also as well. We have another new person here to the chat, Money Mel Jr. Welcome. Thank you for joining, Money Mel. Okay, Money Mel said it applies to all of them. Okay, you're talking about the member mall that we went through. It applies to all the credit cards. Okay, that's good. That's good if it applies to all of the credit cards because if it does apply to all of them, then that means if you have a Navy Federal secured credit card, then you can go on the member mall and you can get extra cash back there too. And, the gift cards and all that, those gift cards are awesome. AT&T was offering a gift card. Fios was offering a $100 gift card. The thing that blew our mind was up to $950 off of a brand new Galaxy Note 10 Plus smartphone. That brings the price down a lot. Considering, say, if you did not buy your phone on Black Friday, you just bought it on a regular day at a regular price, normal price, you may be paying, over $1,200 for just for the phone. Now, if they're going to take $950 off, then you could be getting that brand new Galaxy 10 Plus Note for like a little more than $300, pretty much. So, I mean, that's like a sweet deal, plus cash back on top of that. So that's just awesome. I can't even, tell you how great that is. So everyone, if you haven't already, please say hello to Money Mel Jr. And thank you for letting us know that it applies to all the cards too, Money Mel. Really appreciate that. Cakeologi is in the building, people. Happy holidays, Cake. His name is Bob, by the way, and he has a YouTube channel where he talks about how you can build business credit. You can get approved for funding, loans, credit, you name it. You can do all of this for your business too, also as well. So even if you do not have a brick and mortar business like a store or dry cleaners or laundromat or something like that that's located inside of a building, a physical location, you can still build business credit. Okay. If you have a YouTube channel, you can build business credit. Okay. Anything you're doing as earning money, right? If you're earning money with whatever it is that you're doing, whether it's a hobby or something you enjoy doing, you can build business credit with it. And all you're doing is you are an independent contractor / sole proprietor, basically. Okay, because you're doing business, although you're not a brick and mortar business. Okay, you might as well just make it all, on paper. You know what I'm saying? Build business credit with it. There's nothing wrong with that at all. Actually, Bob has been helping me to build business credit for my S corporation named Nurse Providers Incorporated. And also he's been helping me to build business credit for our new company called How to Get an 800 Credit Score, LLC, which is the business that owns our YouTube channel pretty much. So How to Get an 800 Credit Score is an actual business now. Thanks to Bob, helping us out with that too also as well. So I know I've been talking a lot about doing it, but I will be making progress videos on, the steps that I've been making with Bob to build business credit too also as well. Because on this channel, we talk about all aspects of credit. We talk about personal credit. We talk about business credit, even though we don't talk about business credit that much as Bob, because Bob specializes in business credit. We don't specialize in business credit. We talk about personal credit, cashback, rewards, travel, points, all of those things, credit card reviews. So guys, if you want to learn how to build business credit, go ahead and click on Bob's name here in the chat. Cakeologi is on the screen, and you click on go to channel. When you get there, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so you won't miss any of his videos that as he makes them there too also as well. So if you haven't already, please say hello to Cakeologi. And we have another new person here to the chat, Daron Nins. Thank you so much for joining, Daron, and thank you for pointing that out that you could not see the website. I know why it was, because I had you guys still on the transition screen, and I didn't have you guys on the member mall screen. So I do apologize for that. But if you haven't already, please say hello to Daron Nins, to also as well as a new person here. Let them know that, you know, Daron is welcome here for sure. Okay. And also, yeah, thank you for letting us know to hit the like button too also as well, because that's very important, guys. Hit the like button. We did not make our goal of 40 likes last Wednesday, but tonight we want to try to get as close as possible to getting 40 likes on this video. So if you haven't already, please hit the thumbs up button. It definitely helps out the channel tremendously. We'll put this video in front of more people, and we can get more people here in our live chat too also as well. Thank you, Cakeologi, for, you know, all the kind words. I really appreciate you too also as well. Okay, thank you for letting me know that you can see it, because I know I did correct the screen there. Money Mel, appreciate that. BRIONE Walton says, I don't think you can log on Member Mall through their app. If I'm not mistaken, you have to log on to NFCU actual website to have access to Member Mall. If this has changed, let me know. Yeah, you're 100% right. And that's why, BRIONE, I logged in to my online banking, right? Because that's the way, I don't know if that's the way you have to do it, but that's the way you can do it. That's the way you can get to the Member Mall. If you go to the Navy Federal website, you click on sign in. It should sign you into your online banking, and then you can scroll down. You have to scroll down to where your credit card is, right? Whatever credit card you want to use to do your shopping at the Member Mall, that's the credit card that you're going to click on. That's the link you're going to click on. Okay, so you should see the link for your credit card there. It should show up on the screen. And then, like mine, it said cash rewards, right? Because that's the credit card I have with Navy Federal Credit Union. When I clicked on that, as I showed you guys, then I clicked on, let's see if I remember, I clicked on that link that says rewards, and then it says member rewards, and then you click on that. That will take you over to the Member Mall. Okay. If you do all of that, then you'll be able to get to the Member Mall from going about it that way. Okay, so that's very important. I mean, if you are a member of Navy Federal, then you don't want to miss out on all of those additional benefits. I mean, if you're like me and you are getting a sign-on bonus, then you definitely, want to go to the Member Mall, because you want to get as much cash back and rewards that you can, right? I just watched a video from, I believe it was from Dwayne from How to Build Credit TV. Awesome video too, by the way. His he got a secured credit card with Navy Federal Credit Union back in June. Okay, which is about 6 months ago, and he had no idea. He went and logged into his Navy Federal account to his secured credit card, and lo and behold, I mean, they upgraded his card, and the brother didn't even know it. It was like a surprise, you know what I mean? So, you know, Navy Federal is an awesome credit union. You know what I mean? So now they upgraded his card. Now he's in the process of completing his spend, doing his spending, so he can get his $250 sign-on bonus. So that's awesome. So I don't know if you're in here, Dwayne, but this live stream topic is for you too, bro. You want to definitely go over to that Member Mall, okay, and look through that Member Mall really good. And, make sure you're not missing out on anything that you spend money on. You know what I mean? Because, you know, I know you're working on hitting that bonus. So why just settle for 2% cash back that your Navy Federal card is giving you when you can get the 2% cash back? Plus, you can get an additional 4% or 10%, like we just showed you guys here earlier in the topic. One store was offering 25% cash back. One was offering $40 cash back plus a $100 gift card. So, you know, there's a lot of ways you can just stack up that cash back, and you can definitely expand it out. You know what I mean? Yeah. So yeah, but Dwayne has an awesome YouTube channel. It's called How to Build Credit TV. He's on a live stream every Monday at 7 p.m. Central Time. Too also as well, Janelle and I, we're always in his live streams, you know, because he has some awesome topics. There's a lot of people in there with a lot of knowledge, a lot of years of experience building credit too also as well, and all of your questions get answered over there too also as well. So you know, if you didn't already, you definitely want to subscribe to his channel for real. Okay, Janelle says, yeah, okay, thank you for, you know, keeping, you know, welcoming the people, Janelle. Appreciate that. I'm doing my best. Janelle wants to know again, is everyone ready for Christmas? So everyone, if you're ready for Christmas, let us know for sure. Too also as well. Yeah, thank you, Money Mel. I really appreciate you. Too also as well. Yep, your favorite time of the year, huh, Bob? I hear you. Yeah, we're definitely gonna be doing a Christmas live stream Wednesday. Okay, so it just, I mean, it's not like we really planned on doing a Christmas live stream, people, but it just so happens this year, Christmas is on a Wednesday. Okay, so that's our live stream time. So we're going to be doing a Christmas live stream Wednesday, 8:15 p.m. Central Time too also as well. Janelle says we're still doing the live stream. Yep, Janelle just said it. Torpedo Joe, welcome to the chat. Appreciate you coming back, bro. Greetings to everyone. Greetings to you. Thank you for joining us. We really appreciate you. If you haven't already, please say hello to Torpedo Joe too also as well. Brian says that he made $50 cash back on his Discover, 5% cash back, and he's still in the first year. He's got to slow down so he can pay the balance in full. Yeah, I hear you. I hear you. Yeah, like I was saying earlier, that 5% cashback bonus, it does have a limit though. That is not unlimited. That one, the limit is $75 per quarter, right? So that's the highest you can go. Once you go over that $75 cashback limit, then everything else becomes 1% automatically for that quarter, right? So Discover is going to match that at the end of the year too also as well. So, I mean, my Discover card is on pause right now because of this credit card, this cash rewards credit card from Navy Federal Credit Union, because, you know, I need to hit the sign-on bonus. And if I'm over here on the Discover card, you know, doing a lot of spend on the Discover, then time is just going. You know, I only have 90 days to do it. You know, it's not a problem. We make that kind of spend in less than a month anyways. You know what I mean? So that's really $2,500 is not a lot for us to do. I mean, if they made it like $10,000 or $15,000, now that would be a problem for us, because that's a lot of money to spend in 90 days, right? But 2,500, piece of cake, pretty much. So after we get our $250 bonus, after we hit the minimum spend requirements, that is, then we're going to go ahead and jump back over to the Discover It card that we have, and, you know, just continue spending as we normally do. Maybe by that time we'll be in the next quarter. You know, January starts a new 5% bonus quarter categories for Discover. So, you know, maybe by that time we'll jump back over to Discover, you know, and then we'll, you know, put the more spend on the Discover too also. So Cakeologi says, credit family, let's start the year off right. Let's get our personal and business credit together this year. Yes, definitely start the year off right. Why not? You know, get the personal and the business credit together. Okay, get it together, guys. Get it together for sure. Okay, my New Year's resolution is that I'm going to get my credit score up as high as it can go. You know what I mean? I left a comment on Dwayne's live stream Monday, and I said that I got 3 hard inquiries removed from my credit report. Plus, I had 1 collection removed from my credit report. That was on my TransUnion, right? And I don't even want to look at my credit score right now, because the last time I looked at my credit score, it said 784, and that was a FICO 8. Okay, FICO 8, and that was just TransUnion alone. So I don't even want to look, because if I look at my credit score right now, I swear my eyes might pop out of my head, because it's probably guaranteed to be higher than 784. Okay, how high? I don't know, but I'm just going to leave it for a surprise for me and Janelle, because, I got a lot of things that we're working on. I'm doing credit repair on myself. Janelle, off and on, we're doing credit repair. I have help doing my credit repair too also as well. Awesome person working on my credit repair right now. Not Fortress Credit Pros anymore. I know you guys have been watching our videos and live stream. We talked about how we had Fortress Credit Pros working on our credit repair, but not anymore. We gave them a 6 months run, to work on our credit repair. So now we're going about it from a different angle, and we're happy about the results that we gotten recently. Okay. We're not too happy with Fortress Credit Pros though, however, because they had 6 months. We didn't see any results from that, but I will be making an update video on that too also as well, for those of you who've been following my credit repair journey. I will be doing an update. By the way, we have a playlist with those videos here on this channel too also as well. The name of the playlist is if you're thinking about, if you're looking for a credit repair service, right? That's the name of the playlist, and it has a bunch of videos in there, and it talks about my credit repair journey, the credit repair companies that I've tried, and my experience with them too also as well. So yeah, New Year's resolution, get my credit score up as high as I can. Also get the other 2 credit bureaus to delete that 1 collection that I have left, and get as many hard inquiries deleted from my credit report as possible to also as well. And I want to maybe apply for some more credit cards next year too also as well. I'm not sure. I know for a fact I will be applying for 2 more Navy Federal credit cards, because I believe,
what?
Yeah, I believe I believe we're allowed to have 3 Navy Federal credit cards in total. I'm not 100% sure, but guys, my Navy Federal members in here, let me know if I'm right or wrong. Is 3 the limit? The total amount of Navy Federal credit cards that you're allowed to have? Let me know inside of the comments too also as well. And also my other New Year's resolution is to build up more of my business on the business credit side too also as well, for both companies too. Yeah, I got a lot of work to do right there. And I'm also helping a lot of people to build credit too also as well. I want to say thank you to all of our Patreon members too also as well. We've been working with. Some of you signed up, to have me, help you with your personal credit and, your business credit too also as well, increasing your credit scores and things like that, building out your credit profile. And I thank you guys for giving me the opportunity to work with you guys too also as well. It's definitely a pleasure. So next year, We'll be working with more people too also as well. And if you're interested in that, the link to our Patreon is in the bottom of our description here in this video too also as well. Okay, so Janelle just gave me the information here. Can you have more than one Navy Federal credit card? Okay, I believe she just looked it up really quick. Okay, so it says here the number of credit cards you should have is up to you. It's certainly possible to have an excellent credit score with just one credit card, but having multiple credit cards may suit your spending habits better and enable you to maximize your rewards strategy. It doesn't tell you how many credit cards you can have. But it says you can have more than one. Okay, so I'm not sure 100%, like I said, but I believe it's 3. I believe it's 3. And after 90 days, I can apply for my second one. Money Mel Jr. says 800 plus club in here. Yeah, congratulations there, Money Mel, for being in the 800 club. Cakeologi says we just got a client approved for over $100,000 in business credit, guys. Just wanted to update you. That's awesome. Well, Bob, I'm sure you're gonna be making that video soon, right? Because I definitely want to watch it and want to know how you're able to get that client approved for over $100,000 in business credit. I know you made one, but I don't remember how much they got approved for. I know they got approved for a lot in business credit. I'm not sure if it was near 100,000 or not, but that's awesome there. So guys, you definitely don't want to miss out. You know, if you need help, you know, with your business, building business credit, Bob's the man to go see for sure, because he specializes in business credit. Yeah, I can help you guys too, but I don't specialize in business credit. Bob may give you more, you know, in depth. He may go more deeper than I may go, because we're more general here on this channel, and Bob is specifically specializes in business credit.
Okay, do something real quick while Dwayne done there. You need to check your redact.
Okay, where is it? 9:31. Okay, yeah, I'm way behind. I gotta catch up. Okay. Okay. Brian Bowers says thanks, Curtis. Okay, awesome. So let's see this. Janelle's just reminding me that I'm way behind in the comments too also as well. S House is in the building, people. Please, everyone, if you haven't already, please say hello to S House. Thank you so much for joining S House. And by the way, for all the new people coming in, I know some of you are not new to the channel or the chat, but you just came in. Hit the thumbs up button. Maybe you forgot to, but hit the thumbs up button as you come in to also as well.
Show where the thumbs up at.
So yeah, thumbs up button is right here, guys. So I know someone had a question about where the thumbs up button was, right below the video. Okay, we need more thumbs up. Again, we're gonna hit that. We're gonna set a goal again, like we did last Wednesday, for 40 likes. We want 40 likes on this live chat too also as well. Thank you to all of you who gave us thumbs up on the last live stream last Wednesday. I believe we got over 60 thumbs up on that. I really appreciate that, guys. Seriously. So if you haven't already, please say hello to S House too also as well. Thank you, Brian and Janelle, for greeting all the people as they come in. Theresa Collins is back in the house. Once again, welcome back, Theresa. Thank you so much for joining. She says, good evening to all from the Chi Town in the house. Yes. We definitely got to go to Chi Town and visit. For sure. I've never been. Actually, we have been to Chicago, but briefly. We just didn't go anywhere. We were on a Greyhound bus, I think it was, on our way here to South Dakota. We had to stop over in Chicago. So it's probably one of the places that we want to go. So if you haven't already, please say hello to Theresa Collins too also as well. And Janelle just reminded me, yes, everyone, please hit the thumbs up button. I can't say it enough. It definitely helps us get more people here in this live chat So YouTube could also put this video in front of more people too, also as well. So it's awesome. Jakari Pikes is back in the building once again. Thank you for stopping by, Jakari. He says, hello, Janelle Credit family. Congratulations. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much. And so if you haven't already, please say hello to Jakari Pikes too also as well. Money Mel Jr., he's talking to you, Janelle, asking you why you want to wait till next year to become a member of Navy Federal Credit Union. Curtis, thank you so much for that, Curtis. Glad you like the blue Christmas tree in the background. Money Mel says that's great that you highlighted that, because honestly, I forgot about the member mall. Keep up the great work. Thank you for the kind words, Money Mel. Really appreciate that. Yeah, that member mall. I haven't seen anyone talk about it on YouTube. No one at all. Nowhere. No videos. And I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube about Navy Federal Credit Union. Okay. And I have not seen any videos where anyone talked about the member mall at all. Okay. And I know all of these people that are members of Navy Federal, they know about the member mall. Okay. So I know it is a jewel. But I mean, I don't, why would you want to keep that to yourself and not share that with everyone else? You know what I mean? So that's why we had to make this a topic of tonight's live stream here and talk about the member mall of Navy Federal Credit Union and how you can just, earn phenomenal amounts of cash back and, gift cards, rewards cards, and all of these things, through that member mall. So, yeah, it's just an awesome thing. I mean, and the more I look at Navy Federal Credit Union, the more I research about them, I like more and more things about them too also as well. Okay. Janelle's explaining why she has to wait till next year. So, yeah, she said she was going to explain that. So, Cakeologi, Bob says you are still a LLC. Yeah, I'm still an LLC. Yeah. Thanks to you, Bob, for helping out with that. Because Bob has a great way to register as an LLC, where it will cost, a very small amount of money. Actually, I mean, there's still state fees that you got to pay, right, to your state, depending on what state you're living in. So it's not free. It's not free. It's not a free LLC, but it is, you're getting a lot of help to do it, to do the LLC too also as well. So it has a lot of value in it. Brian Bauer says that NFCU sounds good. I got to behave. Too many inquiries. I hear you. Yeah. Navy Federal. Yeah, they will give a hard inquiry. It's on TransUnion. It's a TransUnion pull. Okay. But I've heard that credit limit increases. It may pull from a different credit bureau. Some people have told me that they pulled TransUnion. Some people say they pulled another one, but the majority of the people said they pulled TransUnion. Okay, and they pulled my TransUnion too. So yeah, I mean, it was kind of a good thing that they did pull TransUnion and that they didn't pull Experian or nothing like that. You know what I mean? Because I don't know. I don't know what would have happened. You know what I mean? Because my Experian, I have a lot more hard inquiries on Experian. Okay, so, and then Experian, I still have my collection on Experian, whereas on TransUnion, I don't have my collection there on TransUnion anymore because it was deleted from my credit report there. Okay, so it is good. It's a good thing that they did pull TransUnion. Julian Robinson is in the house, people. So everyone, please say hello to Julian Robinson, to also as well. Julian, yeah, I got your message. and I will definitely let you know who is working on my credit repair. I just don't want to put it out there right now, because I have some ideas, right? I have some ideas because this person is really good at credit repair, and like I said, got 3 hard inquiries deleted, like in the first round of disputing, first round of disputes. So I think this person is just totally awesome. And I would like to find a way to have this person up here on our live stream, on our live show too, also as well. So that way, I know a lot of you have, problems like I do with hard inquiries on your credit report. So I know a lot of you would love to have that person here on this show, right, as a guest. So you guys can, feel free to ask questions and comments or what have you about how to remove hard inquiries too, also as well. Because I know people have tried to do videos on YouTube about how to remove hard inquiries, but a lot of those videos that people have made, they do not actually go into detail and explain to you how to remove hard inquiries. Okay, whereas this person may better be able to do that. So yeah. So if you haven't already, people, please say hello to Julian Robinson. Bob says everyone is an LLC if they want to be. Everyone can form an LLC and get business credit based on their YouTube channel, hobby, or other business. Yeah, that's true. I mean, even if it's a side hustle, you know what I mean? Like I was saying before, you don't have to have a brick and mortar business to get business credit cards, okay? And to build business credit either,
I'm thinking about it.
So it is definitely a good thing to do.
Maybe I'll do it.
Janelle was saying, yes, you got to behave if you want to get into NFCU. Yeah, I mean, that's a good idea. And if you don't have a lot of hard inquiries on your credit report, that's even better for NFCU too, also as well. Because like I was saying last Wednesday, on the people that got the really high credit limits from NFCU, a lot of them didn't have a lot of hard inquiries on their credit report. And some of them had a relationship established with Navy Federal too, also as well. Some of them, well, a year. One person had 18 months with Navy Federal. So it's always a good thing, to build that relationship with them too, also as well. Thank you for saying that, Curtis. I appreciate that. Yeah, Julian just saying hello to Janelle. And Money Mel Jr. says, credit scores are my specialty. I'm working on having 3 perfect credit scores. We definitely should collab in the future. Yeah. Well, we can definitely talk about that for sure. Definitely get at me, shoot me an email or something later on. Julian Robinson says he's doing good so far. How about you? Okay, awesome. Dwayne from How to Build Credit TV is in the building, people. I know we were just talking about you, Dwayne, earlier. And we were talking about, how we enjoy your live streams. And we were talking about that video that you did about your Navy Federal secured credit card graduating. And, we're glad that you stopped by, too, because we were talking about the member mall tonight and how you can earn over 27% cash back just using the member mall. And yeah, I do have the cash app, Dwayne.
No, we got it.
Oh, okay. Janelle says that you already got it. Okay, awesome. Okay. Yeah, I will confirm that too. I see it on my phone, actually. Let me go ahead and confirm that. Wow, awesome. Thank you so much for that. Dwayne sent me a $50.
Thank you, Dwayne.
Cash app. Thank you for the $50, Dwayne. I really appreciate that, bro. You're awesome.
YouTube don't take the money.
You're definitely awesome there, Dwayne. Thank you so much for that too. How do I confirm it? Let me see. Because I have YouTube open at the same time on my phone. But good thing I got this I got the my Galaxy. This Galaxy phone is awesome. I mean, that me and Janelle got is super, super fast. The Galaxy 10 Plus Note 5G, super fast. So I can be doing like a whole bunch of different things at the same time on this phone. So it really doesn't hurt anything either. So really appreciate it. Thank you so much for the $50 donation, Dwayne. I really appreciate that. Too also as well. Yeah, I understand why you don't want to give. YouTube does take the 30% out of the super chats too. Also, and they take 30% out of like everything that we make. You already know, Dwayne. They take money out, you know, of any money that we make here on YouTube. So yeah, but I really appreciate that, Dwayne. Thank you so much for that. Jakari says, shout out to my boy Dwayne. That was a good video about Navy Federal. Yeah, wasn't it? I mean, it was awesome video, right, Jakari? I mean, they really did awesome with Dwayne there by graduating him after 6 months, you know, to a regular Navy Federal credit card too also as well. And that's only the beginning. It's only the beginning because the first card from the data points that we received on our research on Navy Federal Credit Union, the first credit card that they give you is basically to see how well you handle your credit that they've given you. You know, even if it's a low credit limit, like they gave me only $1,000, right? But they were saying the second credit card after that, I mean, after 90 days of having a card and apply for the second one, a lot of people are telling me that it's going to be a monster credit limit. It's going to be a very high credit limit. So I'm very excited about that too, getting my second credit card with Navy Federal too also as well. Okay, I didn't get Bob's comment. I hope you got that, Dwayne. Bob was asking you if you got his email.
He already commented.
Okay, he already commented. Okay, awesome, awesome. So yeah, I'm just checking my cell phone too. So if you see my eyes moving back and forth here, that's because I have to, you know, make sure I'm not missing anyone's comments too, because I can't see all of them on my screen, but I can see all of them on my phone. Brian says, hello, Dwayne. I was able to waive the Capital One $39 fee. Okay, awesome, awesome. It's good that you were able to do that too. Awesome, also as well. And also keep in mind, people, if you're in the military, you can have your annual fee waived on some credit cards. Okay, not all credit cards though. But some credit cards, you can have your annual fees waived there. So you definitely want to research that and, you know, find out what credit card you have, first of all credit cards that you have. And, you know, research and find out if you can have that annual fee waived. Okay. So that's totally awesome. M. Sway. It's another new person here in our live chat, so please welcome M. Sway. Oh, we did have you before. Janelle was reminding me. So, but anyway, if you haven't already, please say hello to M. Sway. M. Sway says, Christmas, just another day. Don't go broke over BS. Good point. Good point. Yeah, don't go broke over it. You know what I mean? I hope you guys have some sort of a budget for your Christmas spending. So you want to, if you have a budget for that, definitely stick to your budget, you know. But yeah, do not let Christmas break you. You know, Brian Bauer says, I'm 50% ready for Christmas. Okay, well, we're somewhat ready too. So don't feel bad, Brian.
We'll be ready.
We'll be ready Wednesday for sure. It's Wednesday's Christmas.
Cooking day.
Janelle says cooking day. And
Yeah,
I already know it's going to be a lot of ham, okay, because on my job, they gave us a big ham. It's giving every employee a free ham. This is huge ham I had to, ride home with. So we'll be having a lot of ham. I can imagine just a lot of ham sandwiches, too, for lunches at work. Which I don't mind at all. You know what I mean? Janelle's coming out here with the ham.
I don't know.
So yeah, this is the ham I got. So as you guys can see, you see my head right next to the ham. This ham is bigger than my whole head. Okay. So Janelle's saying that last year we had a bigger ham than this one, but this year it's a pretty good ham, pretty good size ham. So Hip to the Dip is in the building, people. Victor says, hey, Lyndon and everybody, what have I missed? Well, basically, Victor, you missed up to 27% cash back. You missed a $100 gift card, a $40 gift card. All of this through the member mall from the Navy Federal Credit Union, right? And you can access all those benefits by using your Navy Federal credit card too also as well. So for Victor and M. Sway and all of you who have just came in the chat, we need 40 thumbs up tonight. So definitely hit the thumbs up as you're coming in to the live chat too also as well, so we can hit our goal of 40 thumbs up too also as well. So I can't say this enough. Hit the thumbs up button, guys, for sure. M. Sway says hi to Janelle. Okay, you guys still talking about the Cash App. Thank you for welcoming the people as they come in, Janelle. Yeah, Janelle just reminded me again, hit the thumbs up, guys. Our goal is to reach 40 likes. Yep. Thanks for saying that, Janelle. Gary Bluen is back again. Thank you for stopping by once more, Gary. Gary's just letting Dwayne know what's my Cash App screen name, username or ID name. Appreciate that. And if you haven't already, please say hello to Gary Bluen too also as well. And thank you, Gary. Okay, Gary's saying based on past videos. Yep. M. Sway was saying I was able to hit 810 credit score in June. And now since I got inquiries from funding, it's 740. Well, I hope you got, a good amount of funding, though. I hope it was worth it, though, M. Sway. I mean, if you got the funding that you needed, that you really needed, I mean, it is still a lot of points to lose. 70 points off of your credit score. I mean, I don't know the whole entire situation. I don't know if you got like one big loan, or if it was just one account, like I'm trying to say, or if it was like several accounts that added up and caused a 70-point drop. But if it was only one loan, then the credit bureaus, they pretty much look at this as being a new account, okay? Because it's a new account, and they throw on the hard inquiries too, also as well, from opening up that new account. All of that combined together, yes, it will drop your credit score. Your average age of credit goes down too also as well. But after a few months, I would say between 3 to 4 months, you should start seeing your credit score go back to where it was before, and it should go even higher than that too also as well. Because it's kind of similar to a mortgage. About the same thing happens when you open a new mortgage. About the same thing happens to your credit score in the short term. Okay, your credit score, it normally goes down, right, within the first 4 months. And after that, then your credit score goes back up to where it was, and it goes higher, even higher than it was before, unless you do something like some special refinancing of your mortgage, something like that. Then it could take longer for your credit score to go up again. But it's nothing I would even worry about, M-Sway. If it was only one loan that you got, I wouldn't even worry too much about it. Just keep in mind, credit cards are quite similar because they also can cause your credit score to go down because you're opening up a new account. Okay. And it may come with a hard inquiry on top of that too. Like I said, it can lower your average age of credit as well. But the additional credit limit that you get for that, and you're adding on to your total amount of accounts that you have, you're adding on to your total amount of credit limits that you have too also as well. All of these factors and payment history, after 3 months, you should start seeing your credit score go higher than it was before. So, I mean, I wouldn't sweat it too much. Money Mel saying financial freedom fighters got me into the 800 plus. Financial freedom fighters. Okay. Who are financial freedom fighters? What do they do? Are they a credit repair company? Let me know inside the comments, Money Mel. I'm definitely curious about that. Victor says my credit score topped out at 763. Wow. Okay. Well, that's still a pretty looking credit score there. That's high enough to get approved for anything. And pretty much 763 can get you the best deals pretty much out there. Best mortgage rates, I believe, 763, best car loan rates. You should be able to get the best of everything at 763. You do not have to be an 850 credit score. You don't have to even be an 800 credit score either, because there are not that many benefits that the 800 credit scores people get that the 760 or 770 credit scores don't get. Okay. Now, mind you, the people with the 800 scores, they do get some benefits that other people do not get. They do. Okay. But it's not a whole lot. Okay. Awesome. So Victor says, I just canceled my Amex Platinum card. He got the Barclays Aviator Red card. Wow, that's awesome. So you got in the Barclays. So you definitely under 624 then, because Barclays has a 624 rule. So that's awesome. So you got Barclays. Did you get your Chase cards yet or not? Because if you got your Chase cards, if you got your Chase quadrifecta or trifecta, and you also got your Barclays credit cards, then you pretty much have a pretty good foundation there. And now you can just go for all those other credit cards that may have a lot of value too also as well. So that's awesome there. Everyone, please say congratulations to Victor. You just got approved for the Barclays Aviator Red card too also as well. Cornell says, congratulations on your scores, Lyndon. I'm in the 700s, but need repair. Yeah, Cornell, I'm definitely, I can work with you for sure. I'm just trying to do a little more testing of the waters with this person that's been working on my inquiries. And pretty much, since I don't really have a whole lot of time on my hands to do disputing, to send out disputes and things like that, so I have someone else do it for me. Otherwise, if I had a lot of time on my hands, I would be doing all this stuff myself. because I know how to do it. But I'm testing the waters right now, but I really would love to have this person up on the show too also as well. So this person's doing my hard inquiries right now, just, you know, getting them deleted. And after that, they're going to be working on my collection that I have on my Experian and my Equifax. So it's going to be really exciting. But thank you, Cornell. So everyone, if you haven't already, please say hello to Cornell, Mr. Mentor Freeman, too also as well. Oh, okay. Awesome. Awesome. Thank you, Dwayne, for the kind words. We love you too, Dwayne. Thank you so much for stopping by. We really appreciate you. So guys, if you haven't already, please go over to How to Build Credit TV and subscribe to also as well, so you won't miss out on any of his great videos that he makes over there on his channel. Curtis Davis says, question, 598 credit score. Can this score go up by adding trade lines? They have My Jewelers Club, but thinking to add New Coast Direct. Yeah, your credit score can go up. There's no reason why your credit score should be staying at 598.
How long did it take?
I mean, My Jewelers Club, they give you a guaranteed $5,000 credit limit. New Coast Direct also gives you a guaranteed $5,000 credit limit too also as well. So there you go. There's $10,000 of additional credit limit for you. Okay. And that would help to lower your overall credit utilization. Okay. And that helps to boost your credit score up once you lower your utilization. Okay. And also those credit cards, the My Jewelers and the New Coast Direct, they build credit too also as well. So the longer you keep them, the more they help your credit score. And it wouldn't hurt to maybe open up a self-lender account or a credit strong account. Now, those are both of those self-lender and credit strong. They are both installment loans, and they can help. Now, it doesn't matter the amount of the loan that you apply for, because even if it's a $20 loan or a $1 million loan, it doesn't matter the amount. To the credit bureaus, the amount does not matter. What matters is that you're making your payments on time every month, month to month. And that's what helps to build up your credit score and increase it too also as well. So that may be a good avenue for you to take if you haven't already. If you already have a loan and you're satisfied with that, maybe a car loan or a mortgage or something, that's great. As long as you make sure to make your payments on time every month. That's a big thing with the credit bureaus. But yes, adding trade lines, they definitely help to boost your credit scores too also as well. And these trade lines, like the My Jewelers and the New Coast Direct, they set the stage for you to get approved for credit cards with higher limits in the future too also as well. Okay. So it definitely does not hurt to do so. If you need any additional help, Curtis, you need like a one-on-one or something like that, you could definitely get with me on my Patreon. You know, if you sign up with our Patreon, you know, you can get one-on-one help with me, and we can go through your entire credit report, your entire credit profile, and start building up your credit profile and increasing that credit scores too also as well. Because there's no reason why you should be stuck at 598 for sure. So if you're interested in that, you know, the link to our Patreon is at the bottom of this video too also as well. So definitely check it out. There's a lot of information there on how you can build up your credit scores too also as well, and get some one-on-one help if that's what you need. Let's see. Okay. Christopher Hopkins is back in the house, people. Says, great video. Thank you for the kind words. So everyone, if you haven't already, please say hello to Christopher Hopkins too also as well. Janelle's telling me we need 18 more likes. Keep it coming. Yes. So I think there's some people just came in. So definitely you want to hit the thumbs up button for sure. We're trying to get 40 likes on this video, on this live chat tonight. So okay, now we only need 14 more likes. We need 14 more likes or more people. So as you're coming in, if you just came in and you have not hit the thumbs up button, definitely hit the thumbs up button for sure. So that way we can accomplish our goal of hitting 40 likes tonight on this live chat too also as well. Gary Bluen says member malls are available to several credit issuers, including debit cards. An example, Navy Federal Credit Union, USAA, SunTrust, 3 banks I'm familiar with. Amex and Chase has the offers and the deals, they vary. Okay, well, thank you so much for the information. Appreciate it. So I guess Navy Federal is not the only one with the member mall. USAA has it, SunTrust, Amex, and Chase. Okay, awesome. Well, that's good. That's good. FYI there. Appreciate that, Gary. Okay, awesome. Thank you for the kind words there, Curtis. BRIONE, Walton. Yeah, thank you for the awesome information there, Gary. I really appreciate that. And Dwayne was saying that he didn't even use the secured card that much. He would say out of the 6 months, I may have used the card 10 times. Okay, awesome. Great way to keep that utilization loaded, Dwayne, for sure. But I was kind of curious because I did watch the video that you made today, but I wasn't sure if you said how much credit limit they gave you. Did they give you the same amount of credit limit that you had on the secured card? I believe your secured card had $5,000 limit. Did they approve you for $5,000 limit, or did they give you more than that? I'm assuming they must have gave you more because you've been with them for like 6 months now. But if you don't mind sharing, leave it in the comments. Dwayne was saying, all right, good people, he's out for the night. Have a great week. Take care. Thank you for stopping by, Dwayne. Really appreciate that. Good night, Dwayne, for sure. And Cornell says she's driving, but he is listening. Awesome. Rod 4 is back in the building again. Everyone, please say hello to Rod 4. So all these people, all of you guys coming in, definitely hit the thumbs up button. We need 14 more likes. We need 14 more thumbs up so we can make it to 40 likes for tonight's live stream. And Gary was saying, oh, okay. I did a little joke from Gary. Sunny G's Barbecue is back in the building once again. Thank you for stopping by, Sunny G's. Everyone, please say hello to Sunny G's Barbecue. So again, all you people that just coming in, hit the thumbs up button for sure. If you did not already, definitely go back and check and make sure you hit the thumbs up button. So yeah, Gary was saying the Barclays Aviator Red doesn't apply to their rule. It's a co-branded card. Nice card, actually, especially if you fly American. Free bag, bump into preferred boarding, etc. Oh, okay, so that's even better. I mean, it doesn't apply to that 624 Barclays rule. That's good. That's a good thing because you don't even have to worry about that Barclays rule. Bodyguard 856 is back once again. So everyone, please say hello to Bodyguard 856. He says yesterday he got approved for a $10,000 cash rewards card with Navy Federal Credit Union. Awesome. Good job. So everyone, please say congratulations to Bodyguard 856. He just got approved for a $10,000 cash rewards card with Navy Federal Credit Union. Good job. Way to go. Bodyguard says, thanks, Lyndon, for pushing me to apply last week. By the way, it's a 3-card limit. Okay, yeah, that's what I thought. I thought it was a 3-card limit, Bodyguard, but I wasn't 100% sure. But thank you for reminding me. Appreciate that. So everyone, please say congratulations to Bodyguard 856. He just got approved for a $10,000 credit limit with Navy Federal Credit Union. And Sonny G's was saying that they're doing great, trying to get the utilization down on his cards. And he has a great payment history. Awesome, awesome. Yes, that's the way to go. I mean, if you want to further get that utilization down, I mean, yeah, Navy Federal is definitely the place to go to try to get the utilization down. I mean, they offer big credit limits. I mean, they may, from what I was told, the research we've done, they may start us with small limits, but, you know, they will give out generous limits, big credit limits. You know, actually, I just applied, well, not just recently, but a lot of you already know about this. I had applied for a credit card, and I got approved for $8,000 credit limit, and then I just called them right back and then applied for a credit limit increase, and they stretched that out to a $12,000 credit limit. So that does wonders for my credit utilization right there.
I have a question about Navy Federal.
Janelle has a question about Navy Federal. Okay, go ahead, Janelle.
You have to have saving and checking?
I'm not sure if you have to have savings on checking or if you have to have one or the other. But if you guys know the answer to that question, definitely leave it in the comments. I know a lot of you guys are members of Navy Federal. So it's a good thing that you are in here. So Janelle's question was, do you have to have a checking and a savings with Navy Federal in order to get a credit card with them, or do you have to have one or the other? Well, as far as I know, having the savings account with Navy Federal, that opens the door to credit card offers. I know that much, Janelle. But if you know the answer to Janelle's question, definitely leave them inside of the comments here.
Okay, I got my answer.
Oh, Janelle says she got the answer. Well, thank you for answering that question, whoever answered that, because I'm still behind in the comments here.
You're almost there.
Janelle says I'm almost there. Okay, awesome. M. Sway says Navy Fed also has share pledge loans. Yeah, I heard about those. They will help your scorers. You make payments monthly. Yeah, I thought about doing a Navy Federal share pledge loan. M. Sway, but I don't know. I just decided to do another self-lender loan. This one was smaller than the one I did. I didn't do another $1,000 loan because the amount of the loan is really irrelevant to the credit scoring. So I did a $500 loan with self-lender over, I think it's 1 year or 2 years. I don't remember if it's 1 year or 2 years, but it's another self-lender loan. I didn't do Navy Federal. I guess I just have a habit of going with what I know, you know. So I decided to hold off on Navy Fed, you know, because I may want to, you know, get rid of some more of these hard inquiries and things like that. You know what I mean? Work on those collections, getting those deleted first. Because I want to definitely get best rates on all of that stuff, you know, loans and all of that. And maybe the next time I go for a loan, you know, if it's with Navy Fed, I probably won't even have to get a share pledge loan. I could just get a regular loan, not a secured loan or anything like that, you know. So yeah. Bodyguard 856 says, Lyndon, you can apply for your second card with NFCU after 91 days and 3 billing statements. Awesome. Thank you so much for saying that. Yes, so guys, definitely hit the thumbs up button if you have just came into the chat. for sure. We're trying to hit our goal of 40 thumbs up. We need 40 likes tonight on this video too, also as well. We may not hit our goal tonight, but it's okay.
If not,
maybe
we'll do it on Christmas.
If not, maybe we will get closer than we did last Wednesday to hitting the 40 goal. Juan Martinez is back in the building once again, people. So everyone, please say hello to Juan Martinez. Juan says, hello all. When applying for new credit, as far as income, do you put just your income or your household? Just curious to what people are putting down. Well, basically, Juan, you can put your household income down, okay? Because income does play a role as far as credit limits are concerned. When these banks want to make decisions on how high of a credit limit to give you, and also your credit score plays a role in what amount of credit limit that you get to also as well. Also, what plays a role is your credit card utilization. That also plays a role in your credit limit, what type of credit limit you get to also as well. But when you're applying for new credit, filling out that brand new credit card application, you can put down your household income for sure. I mean, say for example, if your income is say $40,000 a year, but your household income may be $90,000 a year, you can definitely put down the $90,000. Put down the household income, you know, because that will definitely help you out too also as well. Okay, so yeah, see, BRIONE said it. You can list the household income. Bodyguard said they pulled TransUnion for him too. Yeah, they're famous for doing that. They like TransUnion for some reason when they pull for credit card applications. Gary Bluen says, one thing about the Barclays Red Trader card I forgot to mention, pay the $99 annual fee and make one purchase, any amount, and get 60,000 American points, value $840.
Yay.
That's awesome there, Gary. $840 worth of value. I mean, that's huge. And all you did was spend $99, basically $100, and you got $840 back. So that's profit. That's profit for sure. Okay, so that was definitely a good move on your part there, Gary. You know, because, you know, when you're trying to apply for a credit card, you're looking at the annual fee, but you're also looking at, you know, what kind of value you can get out of the card. You want to know for sure, is this card something that you will be using? You know, is the rewards valuable to you? Okay, if you're not traveling and you're applying for a travel credit card, do you plan on traveling? How much traveling do you plan on doing? You know, so I mean, but it definitely doesn't hurt to travel. I mean, to go out and get all this free travel. I mean, Waller's Wallet, matter of fact, Waller's Wallet, Dustin. Yeah, he was on, I think, NBC or CBN. I don't remember what it was. They made an article about him online, and he has not paid for a plane ticket in 4 years. Over 4 years, this man has not paid for a plane ticket at all. Okay, so I mean that's huge, you know. So that's what is possible out there. Okay, so why not take advantage of all those opportunities? BRIONE says that Gary needs a YouTube channel. He's very knowledgeable. I thought I knew credit card. You got me beat. I thought I knew credit cards. You got me beat. LOL. Yeah, Gary doesn't sound like a bad idea at all, Gary. You know, the YouTube channel. Why not? You know, we started our YouTube channel in March or April, I believe it was. So, you know, it's been a few months now, but we're satisfied with the progress that we have made so far to this date. And we're glad we did open up a YouTube channel because, not only were we able to share our experiences with credit with you guys, but we also was able to learn a lot from you guys too, also as well, and others. We're able to learn from others too, also as well. So, starting a YouTube channel in a area that you are interested in, it will only, help you to grow. It can help you to grow too, also as well. So it is definitely, a good thing to do. We thought about starting a second YouTube channel, but we're not really ready for that right now because a YouTube channel, is more work than what we are ready for. And we have our hands full with this YouTube channel right here alone. So I can imagine trying to start another YouTube channel. I mean, that is, it's a lot more work. This channel that we have here is a lot of work by itself. When we do videos, doing editing, metadata that goes into play, thumbnails, thumbnail research, metadata research, all of these different things, and there's so many different ways to do metadata, and it's a lot of work. So like I said, it's a lot of work having a YouTube channel. So if a YouTube channel is something you want to do, I'm all for you 100%. But just keep in mind, it's not going to be, it's going to be work. You're going to be putting in a lot of work. Just keep in mind about that. Gary Bluen says, thanks to Brian. Nice comment. Okay. And yeah, at how to get an 800 credit score, you guys are definitely helping others that have questions, gun shy, not sure, just need advice and general help. Okay. Yeah. And we're happy to do that too also as well, Gary.
And I do the best I can.
And Janelle, she does the best that she can over there too also as well. So with that being said, if anyone else has any more questions for me or Janelle, or for the chat, definitely leave your questions, comment inside of the comments. We will, get to your comment or question.
Remind them next Monday.
Too also as well. We want to remind all of you guys, Wednesday coming up, December 25th is going to be our how to get an 800 credit score Christmas live stream. So, I know a lot of you guys are going to be busy with the holiday, and because it's Christmas also as well. But for those of you who can make it, we appreciate you stopping by too also as well. So it's going to be around the same time, 8:15 or 8:30. Too also as well. It probably may be 8:15. This time, because since it's a holiday, I don't have to work, so I don't have that, evening rush where I'm rushing to get home after work, turn the computer on, and start working on a live stream video. I have the day off, so I'll have the whole day. So that time it should be 8:15 p.m. Central Time on Wednesday. Let's see. I think we got some few more comments here. Gary says, and that's why I don't want to do YouTube. I play ice hockey. I repair all my cars myself. I don't have time to do a YouTube channel. I hear you. You kind of like me. Like, I don't really have time to dispute like all of my hard inquiries and dispute my collections and tweak my credit profile like the way it's supposed to be tweaked, so I just have someone else do it for me, that way I could just focus on my 9-to-5 job that I do every day and this YouTube channel, too also as well.
Jerry, watch your tea before you go to home.
And let's see. How many? BRIONE says, good night, credit family. Happy holidays. Yes, happy holidays to you too also. Bridget's behind me here. She says, happy holidays to you.
Jerry asked.
Gary says, Merry Christmas. Yes, Merry Christmas to you, Gary. Thanks for everything. Want to see Panda and Bridget before we sign off. Well, that was Bridget. Janelle's trying to go get Panda too also as well. And she's looking for Panda too. So, I mean, we do plan. Okay, we have another comment / question from Sunny G's Barbecue. Should I pay down on my cards tomorrow, or should I wait for my bills to come in next month? Okay, so, this is Panda too, by the way. Panda's here.
The big boy.
Okay, so Panda says Merry Christmas. Janelle had to wake him up because he was taking a little nap there. But I would say that all depends, Sunny G's, okay? The main thing you want to definitely keep in mind, when you have credit cards, you want to know your due date, what day your credit card bill is due, and also you want to know your statement closing date. Okay.
You can do it tomorrow. You can do it before that. It's up to him. As long as you get it done by the date.
You want to know those two dates for sure. Okay. And as far as paying your bills down, you can do. I would give you one or two suggestions. Okay. There's many more suggestions than just these two, but you can pay it all off in full, right? Or you can pay it all off in full by the due dates. Okay, that way you're not charged any interest. And then you can go ahead and spend a very small amount, maybe 1% of the total credit limit that you have on that card. What that will do is that will report to the credit bureaus that you spent, that you have 1% credit utilization on that card. And at the same time, you will not have to pay any interest because you paid your bill by the due date. So if you do those two things right there, that would help you to get a 1% credit card utilization. Report it to the credit bureau and would not have to pay any interest at all. Okay, so that's one strategy. Another strategy is you can pay off the entire bill in full and don't even worry about the 1% spend on it after the due date. Okay, so there's a couple of tips I had there for you. Okay, so let's see what else we have here. Yeah, Janelle was saying that Panda and Bridget will be all dressed up for Christmas, so you definitely don't want to miss that. LOL. Yeah, I definitely don't want to miss that either, Janelle.
I'm gonna get them a Christmas outfit.
But sure, I definitely want to see them all dressed up. So we definitely want to apologize. I want to apologize though to you guys because was not able. Yeah, I'm looking at my computer screen right now. Was not able to get this live stream on Facebook, okay, tonight. And it's been like that for the past couple of weeks, actually. It's been like that. It was like that last week, too. Because, see, the thing is, I already spoke to the technical support team, and what they told me was I have to, reset all those destinations on Facebook before I can, we can get this live stream back on Facebook again. So hopefully I'll be able to do that during the week or maybe during the Christmas holidays or on my day off or something when I have some extra time on my hands to do that. So that way I know, because the people that have been watching this live stream, I know you guys haven't been seeing them in our live stream. You guys haven't seen them last Wednesday, and that's the reason why. So hopefully we will be able to play have our live stream for them too also as well, so that way they can participate. But Periscope, you know, if you're watching and on our channel on Periscope, then I definitely thank you so much. I appreciate you. Or if you're watching on our Twitch channel, I appreciate you too also as well. Juan Martinez is back in the building one more time. Thank you so much. If you haven't already, people, please say hello to Juan Martinez. Juan was pre-qualified for 2 cards for Capital One on their website. That's awesome. How guaranteed is the pre-qualifications? Well, I would not say pre-qualifications are guaranteed. But what I can say is pre-qualifications give you a good chance of being approved. That I can say. You have a good chance, but it's not 100% guaranteed. Doesn't guarantee that you will be approved for the credit card. But you could definitely check the pre-qualification. It doesn't hurt your credit score just to check and see if you're pre-qualified for a Capital One credit card. But you know, because you were already pre-qualified, you know, it's up to you whether or not you want to go ahead and pull that trigger and apply. You know, when I've done it, I didn't have any problems getting approved. Not through Capital One, though. I'm talking about Discover. I didn't have any problem.
I did.
When I got an offer, a pre-qualified offer from Discover. So, I mean, that's up to you whether or not you want to go ahead and apply or not. Your choice there, Juan. But I definitely see some Capital One credit cards that I'm interested in. I'm interested in the Sabre. I think it's the Sabre One. Yeah, that's right. It's the Sabre One credit card from Capital One. That's the one that I want. I want the Sabre One.
You gotta pay attention. One is a Sabre and one is a Sabre One.
Yeah, Janelle's reminding me that one is the Sabre, one is the Sabre One. Okay, yeah, I want the Sabre One. That's the one that I want.
That's the one I want.
Janelle wants too. But let me know how that goes, Juan. Let me know if you actually applied or if you decided not to. All right, 'cause I definitely would like to know for sure. Okay, so let's see. Any other questions? Yeah, looking forward to and love their birthday hats. Looking forward to their Christmas dress up, Gary says. Yep. Janelle is saying that the birthday hat was cute on them, so Christmas is going to be a great one for them too.
Even
also as well.
I like it, but still, they got the. I'm going to get them their.
Well, they didn't have a problem with the birthday hats.
Because I had to force.
You had to force them to wear the birthday hats. Oh my goodness. Janelle saying she had to force them to wear the birthday hats.
That's going to be their stock instead of ours.
Oh, okay. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for joining us tonight, too, also as well. And I appreciate all of you who have stopped by. And again, before I leave, definitely hit the thumbs up button. It definitely helps out the channel tremendously as well. All the links to follow me on social media can be found in the bottom of this video inside of the description. If you need any help with 101 help increasing your credit score, or help with credit repair, whatever the situation is, you're looking for authorized users to increase your credit scores too also as well, we have a bunch of those all in our Patreon, and the link to our Patreon is in the description of this video too also as well. So from all of us here at the How to Get an 800 Credit Score, including Janelle, Bridget, Panda, and myself, take care, stay blessed, stay safe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Merry Christmas, and bye for now. Welcome to the YouTube channel, How to Get an 800 Credit Score. My name is Lyndon Baptiste, and on this channel, we talk about ways to increase your credit score, build credit, and get approved for the lowest payments on mortgages and lines of credit, loans, and how to travel the world for free, earn extra money with cash back, and bonuses. And if that interests you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications. That way you'll never miss a single video as we make them. That's what I meant. The peace sign, not the 3. Yeah.